Hello guys, welcome back to the Mindset Forex. So in this video, I will show you how you can connect your account with the FXbook. Basically, FXbooks is the website which can keep the record of your account, and mostly successful traders do this to keep a record of their account and to show the people that they are genuinely trading. So in this video, I will show you how you can connect your trading account with FXbook. So, so first you need to go to the FXbook website. Before you can connect your account with FXbooks, you need to create an account on the website FXbook. Okay, then go to the portfolio, add account, select my platform is MT4 auto update. If you are using MT5, you can choose MT5 auto update. The next thing is your account name. My channel name is Mindset Forex, so I'm using Mindset Forex as my account name. My broker is XM, so I choose XM. Server, my server is XM Global Rail 42. Okay, so my account number. This is my real account number. I am hiding this. If your broker don't give you an investor password, you can use a master password as an investor password in this. Then create account. It will take a while to connect your account. As you can see, it is taking a time. Okay, so account is creating. Okay, so your account has successfully proceed. So now you have to go to the set privacy setting. This is the step one. Okay, so you have a authorization password and investor password. Copy the authorization password and go to your MT4 terminal. Click on option and then go to the server. Then click on a change to make change in investor password. Paste the authorization password of your FXbook in new password of investor password, and then paste your master password and then click OK. So copy your authorization password, click on an investor password, paste OK, then connect. It is taking a time. It takes a time like approximately 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so my account has successfully proceed. Account authorization successful. Now, as you can see, my name is Mindset Forex. You can see the description. Like I'm looking for the investor who can invest with me. Okay, so the next thing is system type. It's technical. My kind of thing. So now you need to save and then click on a edit, and then you have an option of this public and private. So my account is public, my balance is public. I'm keeping private of my lots, sorry, my open trades and closed trades, and my lots are public. Okay. I'm also keeping the SL and TP public. So now click on a save. Now if you want to see, okay, portfolio ad account, this is my account metrics. As you can see, this is all. This is the view which I can see. This is the link. So I will put this link in my YouTube channel so you can also see how this account is growing and how this account is working. So I open this in cognitive mode. As you can see, this is my account metrics. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.